Don't save money.
You'll never get rich if you keep saving money.
Cash is trash.
Cash is trash.
Pigeon panics. His heart goes crazy. He saved corn his whole life. And now, is Pigeon wrong? He Googles, is saving money a scam? Bank calls instantly. We know where your mom lives. Pigeon panics harder. He closes the laptop and puts on tiny sunglasses, so bank won't recognize him. But Pigeon starts thinking, why does everyone say, save corn? Mama Bird always said, put corn away. One day you'll be rich. So Pigeon got a piggy bank, saved for a beach trip and martinis with olives. Saving felt good. Corn didn't move. Pigeon proud. But then he learns about something shady. It's called inflation. It's when bread prices go up every year, so corn buys less. Why is saving corn bad? Let's find out. Pigeon has 10,000 corn in bank. After 5 years, it only buys what 8,600 corn buys now because of shady inflation. Corn didn't run away, but it got weaker. It got tired. Corn now needs therapy. It says it feels, well, less valuable every year. Pigeon cries until a wise bird magically arrives and says,
I am your father.
wait, wrong script. Stop saving. Start investing. Pigeon listens. Then he does math. If Pigeon saves 500 corn a month, he'll have 6,000 corn after 1 year. In 20 years, 120,000 corn. Not bad. But what if he invested it? Old Bird says, try index funds. But it sounds like fancy bird food. Turns out, it's a basket full of different businesses. You don't pick orange stock, bread stock, or cupcake stock. You buy the basket and then it grows over time. One famous one, S&P 500, gives 7% more corn every year. If Pigeon invested same 500 corn each month, after 20 years he would have over 250,000 corn. That's almost double. Pigeon faints and wakes up on a yacht. He's rich. Tiny sunglasses, fancy cocktails. Then he wakes up again. He's next to a trash can. Still, nice dream. Why does this happen? Because of compound interest. Pigeon earns corn on his original corn. Next year, the corn earns more corn. Then the corn earns even more corn the year after. It grows like a snowball, but with corn. So what now? Should Pigeon still save? Yes, but just a little. Only enough for emergencies, like Pigeon breaking a wing. And the rest? Make your corn work for you. Invest in index funds. Start a side hustle too. If Pigeon learns to code, he builds a platform called Investing Corn 101. Step 1. Be your own boss. Step 2. Recruit 10 more pigeons. Step 3. There is no step 3. Honestly, it's just a pyramid scheme. Or start a lemonade stand with Mama Pigeon's secret recipe. Secret ingredient? Eggs. Don't tell Pigeon. He thinks it's cannibalism. Pigeon understands now. Saving corn won't make him rich, just slightly less poor. So he invests, he builds, and one day he buys a beach nest with a view and more martinis than one bird should drink.